Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw money on PU Prime. And for that, first of all, create your account, do the level 2 verification. So if you go to this page, make sure that the level 2 verification is done, because after the level 3 address verification, you can withdraw. So it's important to do this verification first, and then after that you go to home and then you click here on withdrawal. Then from here, select the MT5 standard or your account where you want to trade money on. Then select the amount, so let's do 100 USD. And then right now we click on continue, and then they will send you to the withdrawal method where you can pay and put money on your account. So right now, if you can see, I don't have the level 3 verification. So that is important before you withdraw. So make sure that you do that verification, then withdraw your money, and then you can trade on PU Prime. So it's that easy. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.